Hi everybody and welcome to the world of Micah. Today we're going to be here checking out Sapphire Falls, a resort here at Universal Orlando Resort. I'm going to give you guys a full room tour. Let's take a closer look.
Let's take a closer look.
Now upon entering the room, take a look at the floor. I love the design they have. And then right here is the closet. You can open the closet and keep all kinds of things. And there's lots of room, and I'm liking the color scheme too. The blues and purples and the greens, all kinds of cool colors they have. But check this out. This is the sink area, and look at this mirror. Now, not only is the paint job around it pretty neat, but check this out. If you press this button here and keep pressing it, as you can see, it's getting brighter and brighter. We're illuminated. And also, this mirror right here lights up as well. Pretty awesome. Pretty nice for a hotel, I must say. I'm loving the light around this mirror here. It's a nice little Caribbean theme that they have going on in this resort. Before we get to the restroom, I wanted to show you, these are the soaps that they offer here. These are, what is the name of this? Julian Farrell? Who knows? But that's the soap they give you here. And this is the bathroom. The curtain here has a nice little color to it. I'm loving the color scheme in this place. It's very colorful and it goes well with the white. But I love this brick, like the brick look on this shower. It's pretty awesome. And it does come with a tub. Now, this is the weird thing about this. Instead of having a normal door, this door slides open. So yes, it does give you some privacy, but it's not completely enclosed. So just a heads up. Moving into the actual bedroom area now, there's a nice little painting they have here reminding you of the Caribbean, because if you didn't already get that vibe, they're reminding you yet again on these pillows, and some more artwork over here on this wall. There's definitely a Caribbean feel. Turning the lights on to give you guys a full view of this room. And as you can see, those are really cool lamps they have there right above the bed. It's not normal to see lamps like that in a room. You normally see lamps like this, and the little back lamp over here is pretty nice, as well as this chair. Chair is very comfortable actually, and it gives you a place to sit and take a look at the view, but I'll save the view for last. Still more things to see. In the room here, this is the desk area, little lamp. Now this was interesting. They come with Keurigs. These rooms come with a Keurig, so you can bring your own K-cup if you'd like and use it on your vacation, but they also provide some French roast, decaf coffee, and green tea, and some International Delight creamers. It's a nice touch. We have a TV over here, your normal cabinets and drawers right here, but in this cabinet, if you open it up, there's the refrigerator. And let me tell you about these beds. They look comfortable. Let's test it out. Because you know, every time I come to a hotel, I have to always act my age and jump on the bed and test it out. Here we go. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice comfortable bed. And now, for the big reveal, let's take a closer look at the view. Wow, this is the view, so you guys can see exactly what the resort looks like. And then right here on the outside is where the little boats come and pick you up to take you to Universal's City Walk. You can get picked up right there. It'll take you on the lagoon, the waterway, all the way over to Universal City Walk. And there's a nice little pathway here and all kinds of plants and flowers and everything. It really does feel like you're in the Caribbean. And actually over here to the right over there where I'm pointing, is a little waterfall area. But this is the view we have from the room. And then let me show you what it looks like just from sitting in this chair. You could sit here, and that's what you're going to be looking at. Not a bad view while you're sitting here watching TV, I must say. It's a pretty good view. I like it. Also, you'll get the same view if you're laying in bed. So that's pretty neat. So just in case you're wondering, the name of this room is the Lagoon View room here at the Loews Sapphire Falls Resort at Universal Orlando Resort. It's a pretty nice hotel. I've been here once before. Got to stay here right when it opened. They were still working out some kinks. If you watch that video, I give an entire overview of the resort. And it was pretty funny because when Abby and I stayed, we walked into the room and I opened up the curtain to give the big reveal, and there were like 50 construction workers and they all like looked up at us. And it was kind of awkward. But things have definitely turned around for the resort. We've had nothing but fantastic things to say about this place in the time we've been here. But I'll put the link to the other video I did a couple of years back in the description box so you guys can see exactly what the hotel, the grounds and the lobby and everything looks like. But I wanted to give you guys a room tour while we're staying here. It's a really cool resort. I highly recommend checking it out if you're going to be staying in the area. Very low-key, very quiet resort. And it's very close to Universal City Walk. You could walk there or take the ferry, but it's a quick walk too. Well, you guys, that was a short, sweet, and simple room tour of Sapphire Falls here at Universal Orlando Resort. I think I showed you guys everything the room has to offer, which means it's time to say goodbye. But if you enjoyed this episode, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button because it's free. It'll keep you updated with my latest video. Also, if you would like to support my channel, please visit my Patreon page at patreon.com/worldofmicah, where donating $1 a month can help fund episodes just like this. I'll put a link in the description box below of the other video I did of Sapphire Falls, so you guys can check that video out, as well as another video I did of Cabana Bay's beachside tower room. You guys can click on that video and see that room review. I'm going to be staying at different Universal hotels throughout some time, and I'm going to be doing room tours, so you guys will be able to see that all in one playlist. So if you're thinking about planning a vacation, you want to see exactly what the room looks like, click on the playlist. It'll give you some different options of different places to stay here around Universal. I had a ton of fun staying at this resort. It's very laid back, it's very comfortable, and it's very accommodating. I'll definitely stay here again, and I hope you guys do too. I'll see you on the next episode of World of Mike, everybody. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.